Hello, my friend. I am actually kind of excited for this mistake that I made in that I accidentally had set up 2 clothing subscriptions that I didn't realize that I still had set up, and I had them come at the same time. And I was thinking to myself, this would be a good opportunity for a SmackDown. If you've been around my channel since the beginning, which I don't know, have you? How many of you were left? I used to do Birchbox SmackDowns with my husband where we compared our Birchboxes. SmackDowns used to be a thing on my channel, so I figured for nostalgic sake, let's do a clothing subscription SmackDown and see which one of these clothing subscriptions did a better job styling me this month. So if you want to see what I got, hang tight. We're getting into it right now. Okay, first of all, we have to talk about the mom dress that I'm wearing. I'm about to go to Phoenix's 8th grade graduation, and I have a little bit of time to film in the cracks, so that's what we're doing. We will see how that goes, and hopefully I can get this video filmed before I have to leave. Cross your fingers for me. All of the details on both Stitch Fix and Wantable will be in the video description. I figured instead of fumbling through it and trying to tell you all of the things, I'll just leave it down below where you can read it and then compare. I feel like sometimes some things are just easier to read than to listen to. Now with Stitch Fix, I will tell you one of the differences is that I am able to go on and look and see what is coming in my box and reject items before they're even shipped, which I personally really like, because sometimes I look at something and I'm like, there's no way I would wear that. And then I don't get a second shot at looking at it. They just try to pick something else for me, which is cool. Wantable, you don't get that ability to preview before they ship it. So which one should we do first? Let's do Stitch Fix first. With Stitch Fix, you get a little guide here that has pictures of all of the things and how you can style them, which I really like. And then there's a note from my stylist. Her name is Ashley. And then this one here tells you the prices of everything and how much everything will cost with like discounts and things if you decide to keep your entire box. So let us see what Ashley picked for me. And this is the first time I had sent Ashley one of my Stitch Fix videos to watch. And I think that gave her a good idea of how clothes fit on me. So I'm hoping that she's gonna nail this fix for me. Let's look at the first top. This is so soft. Oh my gosh. I kind of love that. Oh, I can't wait to try that on. I'm going to try on all this stuff for you, and I would love, absolutely love to hear your opinions on these things. You know how some people say, like, don't give your opinion unless people ask for it? I'm officially asking you for your opinion. All right, this is really cute. Do I need this shirt? Probably not, but do I own anything like this? No. Is it really soft? Yes. Is it super cute? Also, yes. Then we have this by Fortune and Ivy, and this, I think Ashley nailed it. I think this is gonna look so freaking cute. I'm getting more into like button-ups. Like I love the plaid shirt that I got from Stitch Fix last time. Still freaking love that. So I think this is gonna kind of go on the same like button-up route where I think I'm gonna like this more than what it looks like there. This is a jumper, like a romper jumper thing. I know jumper is a sweater in the UK, but this, I think I don't know, what do we call it here in the US? It's pants attached to a top. I'm not a fashion person in case you couldn't tell. So this is the thing, and I just untied the bow, and it's pants. And I'm thinking this may be my graduation outfit if I love it. I may change my outfit, because that's really cute. And then some jeans. Did she send me high-rise jeans? That's the question. Because that's been the big complaint in the comment section, is that I need to stop wearing low-rise jeans because I have a mommy belly and start wearing high-rise jeans. This does, oh, I love this brand. I don't want to say it wrong because it's in cursive and I can't really read it, but this brand, I have jeans by them that I love that I got at Buckle, but my Buckle store closed in my mall. So I know I love this brand. I love that the rips are not huge. I don't like big huge rips except for every once in a while, and it's got cuffs here that can come undone if I want them to. So I'm excited to try these on. It doesn't say, does it say what rise it is? It just says button front capri jean. It doesn't say like how it's going to fit. So we will see. So I think Ashley absolutely nailed it so far. So let's see if my stylist over at Wantable did as good of a job as Ashley did. Oh, this is cute. So look, it says style for Jennifer on the little sticker. That's adorable. I love that. I love the little personalization touches that makes you feel like you're not one of 100,000 people that are ordering. You deserve to feel beautiful, and then it's got all of the prices there of all of the things. And my stylist name is Lindsay over at Wantable. This is a cute little return bag because the way that these work overall is that you keep what you like, you return what you don't like, and if you keep everything, you get a discount on the entire box. So the first thing in here, I believe, is jewelry, and that's something that I've noticed that Wantable does, is they send more jewelry pieces than Stitch Fix does. These are cute. Ooh, they're like little threader earrings. Sterling Forever rhodium plated. Very nice. I will definitely try those on. Excited about those. And let's see this cute little shirt. Ooh. Okay, so this is either gonna make me look like a grandma or it's gonna be cute. I'm leaning toward grandma. I'm leaning toward grandma. I'm not sure about that one. That one, And then we got this shirt. Okay, it's black t-shirt. And it's $44. I'm sorry if I just yelled in your ear. It's $44 for a black t-shirt. This is going to be a hell to the no. It's a nice soft black t-shirt, but hell no. If I want a black t-shirt, I will get it at the Target, as we do. Not sure about that either. I'm gonna have to try that one on. I'm not sure. It's kind of ugly. Do you think it's ugly? I think it's kind of ugly. Ooh, we have white pants. Okay, white pants are evil because literally every time I've ever worn a pair of white pants, the first time I wear them, I get something on them. Every time. So chances are I'm getting something on all of my jeans, you just can't see them because it blends in. And then I ruin them and then I can never wear them again. But they are cute. And I can tell you I don't own a single pair of white pants or white shorts for that reason. So we will see. I will try them on. I will give them a chance. And then this is by the brand Cut, and they're green pants. Don't know how to wear these. They feel really soft though. They feel really soft. I like the pockets on the front. Those are kind of cute. So this is a maybe, we will see. And then there's another pair of jeans in here. Okay, so these have like rips on them, but they're not ripped all the way through. They're more like distressed without it being ripped, which I personally really like. I would much rather have that than rips because when I put on my pants with the rips in them, my toe goes through them. And I don't like having to like point my toe and be super careful about getting my foot in the freaking pants without ripping them apart. And speaking of that, it is time to do the try on. So let's start with Stitch Fix and then we'll do Wantable. Oh my gosh, wait till you see this, wait till you see this. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Look at this. Look how cute this is. Oh my goodness, I love it. Look, you can see my tattoos, but oh, I love this so much. It's so cute. And the jeans, okay, the jeans. So I put them on and of course my foot went right through the knee. So I like the way they fit. They're high rise, so you can see, I'll show you my belly. So it kind of gets my baby mama pooch right here a little bit, but without being so high that it covers my belly button. So I don't hate that. Here's the butt. I think my butt looks cute in them. They feel like they're gonna stay where they are because one of the biggest issues I have is that I don't have a very big butt. So when my jeans are on for a little while, they always sag down, but these feel like they're going to stay put, which is great for me because when they sag down, I end up getting like this like baggy butt look that is not cute. So I'd rather it be like up and butt hugging, and I think that's adorable. I love this so much. All right, next shirt. All right, I'm not sure about this one because it's like, can I get away with this? That's the question. Can I get away with my belly showing a little bit? Like I can pull it down, but it's not gonna stay there. And I don't think it's supposed to be worn like that. I think it's supposed to be worn a little higher. So here's the back. It is really cute, but I'm on the fence. I need your help on this one of whether you like it or not. And if it's worth it. What's the price? So the price on this is $34, which I think is a reasonable price for a shirt. The other one that I just tried on was $32. So, and it's really soft. It's very comfortable. I don't know. I'm curious to know what you think about it because I do like it, but this is like, I don't know if I'm comfortable. But I guess if it's just a little tiny bit of skin, it's so funny how things change over the years. I used to wear crop tops all the time when I was younger, but I don't know. What do you think? All right. Shirt number 3. See, I think that's cute too. I'm gonna end up keeping my whole Stitch Fix, aren't I? I think it's cute. Here's the back. I like that it goes down a little bit. I think that's adorable. And the top doesn't go too short here. Like this doesn't have the same issue as the other one. And it feels good. What's the price on this one? This one is, so this is $44, which usually button-up shirts cost a little bit more. It is quite thin. So can you see my skin through it? No. I thought for a second you could see my skin through it, which would be a no-go, but I kind of like this too. I kind of like it too. Oh my gosh. So the last thing is gonna be the jumpsuit thing. Be right back. All right. Tuck these little strappy guys in. Let's see. Okay. All right, I don't know. I think it makes my butt look a little flat. You can definitely, I don't own any thongs, I don't think anymore. If I do, they're like really old and probably dry rotted because I don't wear thongs anymore. But I don't know. I might have to ask my husband about this one, what he thinks. As far as where it comes to about here on me. It's just, I don't know if this is me. That's the only thing. Like, I think I can wear it and I think it's fine, but I don't know if it's me per se. Was that a yes or a no from the ghosts in my mirror? One blank is yes. I don't think it's me. And they said yes, the ghosts in the mirror. So I don't know. I don't know, ghosts in the mirror, should I get it or not? I guess the answer has to be yes or no. Should I get it, ghosts in the mirror? No answer, no opinion. Okay, all right. I need your opinion on this one too, because I'm honestly not sure. It doesn't feel like me, but is it cute? That's the question. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I actually have to go to Phoenix's graduation. So I'm going to go to that and then come back and do Wantable when I get back, but it's only gonna be a second for you. But if my hair or my makeup looks different, that's why. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, I'm back from graduation. Phoenix is now a 9th grader, and now I get to try on the Wantable clothes. Woohoo! I don't know about this one, my friend. I don't know. This is gonna be a no for me. It's very sheer. I don't know if this is supposed to be tied. Let me tie it just so we can see what that looks like. No, that's gonna be a no for me. The jeans are lower rise, so that's definitely gonna be a no, even though I do like the distressing pattern. There's the butt end, but this is gonna pull down eventually. I think this is gonna, like, as I wear it, they're gonna like go down a little lower like I was talking about earlier, and I'm not digging on the shirt at all. Nope. Okay, so one thing I didn't realize is this has puffy sleeves. Can you see that? Hopefully you can see it. In my monitor, I can't really see it, but it has puffy sleeves, which makes it a little more unique, which is cool. As far as the jeans go, they are more high-rise. They come up here, which is good. They look good on my butt, but this is the thing is, I've owned colored pants before, and I know I never pick them to wear. So the pants are probably gonna be a no because when I put them on, I didn't fall in love with them. The shirt is not me at all. So again, unfortunately, we have a fail. Last outfit coming up. Oh, wait. I forgot to show you the earrings. I love the earrings. I think this is gonna be the win from Wantable is these earrings because they are super cute. Are you ready for this? Am I going to a soccer game? I'm such a soccer mom in this outfit. This is like quintessential soccer mom right here. I like the way it looks on my bum. The rise is a little bit lower than what I'm wearing recently, but it's not bad. It's not like here, so that's not that bad. I don't like the shirt. Like, I feel like it looks so frumpy dumpy in this, like almost as frumpy dumpy as I did in the first one. Like, this is not, unfortunately, this is a miss, I think. All right, let me go ahead and zoom back in for final thoughts. Oh, I forgot to change the camera. It would help if I lowered that. So let me do that. Bloop. Like there. That's good. I just realized this cord has been back here this whole freaking time. That's annoying. Clean up your room, Jen, clean up your room. I love this. This is cute. So I fell in love with threader earrings back when I used to do, it was something called Little Black Bag, and it was a thing where you would get stuff in your bag, like your virtual bag, and then you could bargain and trade other people for things in their bag that they didn't like, and it was so freaking fun, and they ended up shutting down. But that's where I first tried threader earrings, and I love them. So I do love these. I'm definitely going to keep these. Speaking of that, let's just go over which one should we go over first? Let's do Stitch Fix since I did that one first. So all right, this is where I'm stuck. So I'm definitely keeping the Basima black detail knit top. I freaking love that. It's amazing. I think I'm also going to keep the Tamara crop knot front knit top because I do think that I can work with that. It's just a little tiny bit of skin. I think I will be okay. I think I will feel comfortable. It's just a matter of just being like, oh, okay, I have a little tiny bit of skin showing, but it's not like, it's not a lot. It's like a serious crop top or anything. This shirt, I love it so much more now that I've worn it for a few minutes and like worn it with these earrings and everything. I love the shirt. I think it's cute. I'm definitely keeping that. Now the questions are on the jeans and the jumpsuit. So the deal is, if I keep the jeans, then I might as well keep the jumpsuit because it's only gonna cost me like $1, right? But if I don't keep the jeans, then I won't keep the jumpsuit because there's no point in that. I wouldn't just keep the jumpsuit. The jumpsuit I don't think is very me, and honestly, I don't think I'm gonna grab it and wear it. So therefore, if I don't keep the jeans, I'm returning the jumpsuit. So that's the big question on this one. As far as Wantable, and then we'll go through like a comparison of the two and which one I think is a better service, at least from these two boxes. So I didn't really like anything, to be 100%. Except for the earrings. I freaking love the earrings. The earrings are gorgeous. If you see me wearing these gold angular hoops, those came from Wantable as well. They're doing really well styling me with the jewelry. But the pants, I don't really like any of them. I think the closest one are the white ones, but I know I'm not gonna reach for them, especially in the summertime when I'm gonna be outside wanting to sit on the grass. Like, just white pants do not agree with me, even though I do like the style of them. I think that's the closest thing they got to me wanting to keep something. Didn't like the black puffy sleeve top, didn't like the blue tank toppy thing, didn't like the green pants, didn't like the jeans. Just, they're all gonna be no's, unfortunately. So comparing the two, I feel like I can't really do a fair comparison because Ashley from Stitch Fix had a significant advantage styling me in that she saw my previous Stitch Fix video that I sent to her. Lindsay over at Wantable didn't have that advantage. Ashley also had the advantage of me going in and getting rid of some things that I knew I wouldn't like, and then she had the chance to add other things in based on what I was kind of telling her in the notes. Now, Lindsay did not have that advantage. So with those two things being said, I feel like me personally, I'm more likely to get what I want from Stitch Fix because they allow for more customer feedback. Will it be like that forever? I don't know. I do think I'm gonna try another Wantable box in 3 months and just try it one more time. But honestly, I feel like their prices are very, very expensive compared to Stitch Fix. So from Wantable, unfortunately, the only thing I'm gonna keep are the earrings, but I am really happy with them. So I don't hate it. I'm actually really glad that I got both, but as far as the SmackDown goes, Stitch Fix wins by a mile. But again, they had unfair advantages. And with that being said, it is now your turn in the collective brain of makeup awesomeness and fashion awesomeness, where we help each other, meaning you help me not to buy crap. And maybe I'm helping you to see kind of what these fashion subscriptions have to offer and maybe help you to not buy crap as well. I would love to know your thoughts though, down in the comments down below. Would you have kept different things things, or do you think I did okay? I would love to know your thoughts. The other thing I would love to know is if you've tried these services, what do you think about them as far as styling them for you, so we can all help each other to not buy crap. Thank you again so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help me out a lot. It tells YouTube to share this video with more people and that it's a good video of value, so I would appreciate if you just hit that little button if you enjoyed the video. And if you would like to enjoy another video, YouTube should be recommending a couple videos for you right over here to watch, including my last Stitch Fix unboxing. I will put that down there for you. But if you do have to go because you have stuff to do, it's no problem at all. Totally get that. Thank you for hanging out as long as you did. And mad love to you, and I will see you in a video very soon. Bye!